You know what happened today to me? I went and had a cool burger down at Louis Lunch in New Haven, my hometown. And I was asked to leave only for the day. I'll be back. Because somebody was offended because I called them a liberal. Holy shit. A liberal. The dude that walked me out, he's like, you can't talk to those ignorant people like that. They're ignorant. They have to coexist with us. No, they don't. Bitch slapping for all you motherfuckers. Because I'm here to correct this shit. And if you're gonna be doing some dumb shit, well, I guess you're all gonna get corrected. No. How about locking arms with the corrector? Did you like that name? I started out as Angel Eyes. Papa T, fuck you. Apparently you didn't like calling me Angel Eyes. No, I'm like, am I the closer? Oh, I'm gonna close this shit, and I'll guarantee that, motherfuckers. Oh, I'm the handler, because I'm gonna handle every motherfucker that comes my way in every situation that comes my way, because that's what I do, motherfuckers. Oh my God, but I can have so many other names. Do it go so far as saying executioner? Well, of course, after the courts have processed, all the details, and I'm all about the details. The facts. Let's get the facts, Jack. On them lying politicians. Then, well, may I push that lethal injection button on Fauci? Oh my God. Oh. Now, tell me who doesn't want the position of the serial killer, Fauci, be able to hit the button that gives his injection that ends his life. Holy shit. Bidding goes out as soon as y'all wake the fuck up. Oh my God. Oh my God. I guarantee you, people are gonna pay for that privilege to push that button. I wonder who's gonna get to do it. Oh my God. I mean, I can go on and on, but Trump is already doing so. By the WHO, and I'm talking about the cool band, the World Health Organization, Bill Gates, fuck you. You went and kissed his ass in Mar-a-Lago? Fuck your mandates worldwide and your vaccines. Fuck you, Bill Gates and the WHO. Who the fuck are you? You know who the fuck I am? The fucking handler, motherfuckers. I want to use everything that comes my way to benefit my way, our way, we the people, God's family and country. So, what is it are you going to do when the hatchet that Trump is carrying comes for your liberal wallet? Holy shit. You lying, cheating pieces of shit, getting away with your shit for so long. Now, luckily for you, today is about cool conversations, shooting the shit. But I am a hillbilly in the hick, and we shoot the shit in backwoods. You know what I'm saying? We talk about saying what should be happening to you. I don't know. Lie. Facts. We know the truth. Oh my God. I think we know what's going to happen next. And I'm going to just watch and laugh and smile. And yes, I will be at your execution. Pushing the button? Don't know. I think somebody else, I guarantee you that lost, wants to push that button more than me. I'm just happy to be there. For you, of course. I'm politician, Bill Gates, Fauci, George Soros. You know, I mean, Hillary Clinton, you know, Bill Clinton, I mean, we can go on and on about the globalists, Klaus Schwab, Mark Zuckerberg. What the fuck you doing? Kissing fucking Trump's ass. You shine that shit up? Psst, scumbag. That's what all you are. We're going to correct you. And I offer guarantees on your correction. Sir? The Handler, Magnetic Movement. Sir? Shout out. I'll see you soon. Yeehaw.